Hi there, so here's the changes I've made. We've got 3 shelves 400 deep, we've got 3 600 wide nominally 400 deep, I think it's actually about 43 lift off wire baskets. You've got a second 900mm wide laundry rack. I think you talked about already having these, but I want to put a third one in there to support that shelf, and I don't want to mix old product and new product on that rail, so I'm advising that we get 3 new uprights there. All of those 5 uprights there are new, you don't have those. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so that's where we're at, that's what I'm going to price.